Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Coin98 application on your PC. To download Coin98 application, first of all, go ahead and open up a preferred web browser. Go to the URL box and type in coin98.com and search. You will then end up in the official website for Coin98, which looks like this. Once you get to the home page, click on the Download App button at the top right corner. You will then be able to see downloads available for Google Chrome, for your iOS, and for your Android device. To get it installed on your PC, click on Download for Chrome option. This will now take you to Chrome Web Store, from where you will be able to see Coin98 Wallet. Click the Get button right next to Coin98 Wallet and click on Add Extension. Now the extension will start downloading and the progress will be shown at the top right. Once the setup file has been downloaded, click on Open File. Now, Coin98 Wallet has now been added to your web browser and you will soon be ending up in the official homepage. You can get started with the wallet and create a new wallet for Coin98. If you want to pin the extension in your toolbar, go to the top right corner and click on Extension button. Now get to the Coin98 wallet from the extension and click on the eye icon, or you will be able to see a little pin icon if you are using a different web browser, and this will be able to add the extension onto your toolbar. Every time you open up your web browser, you can click on this extension icon and you will be able to get to Coin98 home screen. So that's how you easily download Coin98 on your PC in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.